This is a potentiometer. It has 3 pins here, and there's also a spot you can insert a screwdriver and turn it. And here we have my multimeter. So if you measure the resistance across these 2 pins, these are the pins that are further away, and we see there's actually 530 kilo ohms of resistance. So that is consistent with the marking here. Let's see if I can show the markings. So okay, you can see 504. That's 50 times 10 to the 4th power. So that's 500K. So 530 is not very far from this value. So that's the total resistance. And this resistance doesn't change regardless where you set your potentiometer to. So let me grab a screwdriver. I'll just turn the potentiometer, and there's basically no change within its tolerance. Alright, so what happens if I put this connection over here? So now it is between center and one side. So as you can see, this is 530 because I've turned the potentiometer all the way to one side. Okay, so if I start turning the other way and start to drop, okay, so this is basically connecting the pins. And then if I turn the other way, the resistance starts to increase. So the range of resistance between the center pin and one side is 0 to the maximum. And as you are increasing the resistance between the center and one side, the resistance between the center and the other side is decreasing because the total stays at 500K-ish. So as you set this, for example, you set it over here to 470, let's find something easier for us, 430K. Okay, roughly 430K. So then if I measure the resistance between these 2 pins, it'll be 100K. There we go. It'll be 100K here. So the resistance is constant between these 2 pins that are far away, and between the left pin and the center, it changes with the orientation of this this trim here, and then the resistance between the center and the other side is just the total minus whatever the resistance between the center and the left.